So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, George from Flashskaters, and today we are in Nakuru, guys, and we are going to explore the posh area of Nakuru. This is called Milimani area. Okay, Milimani, Nakuru. This is where the rich hide. Hey, going down is so nice, man. But let's climb. Look at that. Very beautiful, man. Very, very beautiful. Milimani. There's always that feeling, you know, like you can really differentiate between the middle class, the upper class, and the, the really low class. From even the infrastructure, the way, bear with me, it's a hill. Okay, from the infrastructure, the type of things, type of schools that, I just did this part and I've already exhausted. Okay, the type of school, type of people, and also just the environment. It's gated. Look at that. Very chill. And there are not so much people. Even though people are staying this side, you can't see people everywhere. That's the best part of this one. Okay, let's try. Let me skate. When I get to a flat area, I can now talk. This is Nakuru, and this is where the rich hide. And the best thing about this is I'm doing all this on skates. That's the best part. You'll get to see amazing views, amazing houses, so luxurious life, and also a posh, a posh and magnificent building that dot the areas. Yes, so today we're exploring the area of Milimani in Nakuru, and this is where okay, if it was a middle class area, I think I would have found a place where I can, stand on a shade. But here you can just see. Let's go. I'm not worried about the camera because it's waterproof. Yeah, but also I'm looking for a place where I can. Let's go. Let's explore this area. Here, Capella School. A quick recap, Nakuru is the capital city of Nakuru County in Kenya, and it is northwest of Nairobi in the Great Rift Valley. Nearby is Lake Nakuru National Park, home to rhinos, giraffe, lions, and leopard. Lake Nakuru is an algae-filled soda lake that attracts thousands of flamingos and lookout points such as Baboon Cliff and Lion Hills, which offers a view of the birds, the lake, and the mammal, including warthogs and baboons. Is a busy commercial and transport center for West Central Kenya. A nearby attraction, as I've mentioned before, is Lake Nakuru National Park, and known for its hundreds of bird species, and also prehistoric sites and the immense Menengai crater. Nakuru is populated by people of various backgrounds. The population is predominantly composed of Kalenjin, Kikuyu, and Luya people. Yeah, guys, we did a full video, a full series, not a full video, a series of Nakuru from exploring different areas from the Nakuru town. We even explored the sides of Lake Nakuru. We did Nakuru downtown. We did the Nakuru Park, very beautiful area to and clean place to just chill in the capital. At the same time, we also explored this other side of Nakuru where the rich hide. We also did skate this other side of prison. We've done a very quite number of videos, so make sure you check out our previous videos of Nakuru series for you to explore and get notified of what we've done, and you can see what Nakuru entails. Some beautiful and posh area that surrounds the Milimani area. Enjoy the video, guys, and you tell me your thoughts on this video. At the same time, what do you think of Nakuru? Have you ever been to Nakuru? And how was your experience in Nakuru? Yeah, so guys, yo, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back and watch my video. I lost audio of this video. Sorry, I'm repeating myself so many times. I wish you could heard what I was saying. At the same time, thank you for your support. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. I'll see you on the next video. Maybe on the next city, on the next town. We don't know, but cheers, arise and grind, and enjoy the video. This is Nakuru that you don't see every single day. Cheers, arise and grind.